Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll explore 4 AI marketing tools that can elevate our business or career to the next level. You can even use these AI tools to start as a freelancer, and for your YouTube channel or launch your own digital marketing business. Let's dive right in.
1. AI tool for keyword research. For this task, we'll use a free AI keyword research tool from Ryan Robinson's website. You can find all the links in the video description. To research your focus keyword, simply type your niche or base keywords and click the Go button. This AI tool will provide keyword suggestions with search volume and difficulty. You can also generate title ideas using their AI title generator by clicking the bulb icon, selecting the ideas template, and clicking Generate Ideas. The AI tool will present you with several title suggestions. 2. AI tool for copywriting. For copywriting, Writesonic is one of the best AI copywriting tools in the market. With the free edition, you can use up to 10,000 words. This AI tool can help us create SEO-friendly and engaging articles, ads, general writing, e-commerce content, social media content, websites, and offers many more features. In this tutorial video, we'll explore 2 features from Writesonic AI. Let's begin with their AI product description generator. To generate an SEO-friendly description for your product, enter your product or service name, input your product characteristics, select the tone of voice and enter your target keyword. Choose the language and quality type, then click Generate to start creating your SEO-friendly product description. The AI tool will provide you with multiple options. Select the best one and copy your description. Now let's try their AI tool for Facebook ads. Enter your product or service name, input the product details, select the occasion if applicable, and add promotions if needed. Choose the language and quality type. Click Generate to create your Facebook ads content. The AI tool will offer several options. Select the best one and copy your ad text. 3. AI tool for increasing conversion. To boost your sales or conversion rates, you can use Buman AI. This AI tool revolutionizes the connection between businesses and customers by generating unique and personalized videos for each customer. Let's start by watching their personalized video for a loan program demo.
Hi Lisa, my name is Lucy here at your local Citibank branch. Something came across my desk that I thought you should know about. We've just launched a new personal credit program in your area, so I took the liberty to check your account, and it looks like you pre-qualify for a, let's see here, $25,000 line of credit. I'd love to get together with you, have a quick chat, see if you're interested in activating this. You can use the form below to book a time, and either myself or one of my colleagues will be happy to sign you up. All right, talk soon. Bye.
Now, let's create our own personalized video. After registering with Buman AI, you'll receive 15 free video credits. From the dashboard, click Community Template to generate a new video using their pre-made templates. Select a template that suits your needs and play it before proceeding.
Hey name, I just got notified that you filled your shopping cart but didn't proceed to check out. I know this is a little bit out of the blue, but I wanted to personally get in touch, introduce myself, and see if you had any questions. We are more than happy to help, and in fact, I put a little discount code in this message to help you decide. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.
Click Create New Campaign to begin generating your video. Enter your campaign name, select industry and use case, and click Create Campaign to continue. In this example, we'll use CSV format. Set the mapping column header and click Generate Video to start. The AI tool will generate videos for each customer in your CSV file. You can download the videos, GIF images, or use the online Vimeo version created by the AI tool automatically.
Hi, Sebastian Caldwell.
I just got notified that you filled your shopping cart but didn't proceed to check out. I know this is a little bit out of the blue, but I wanted to personally get in touch, introduce myself, and see if you had any questions. We are more than happy to help, and in fact, I put a little discount code in this message to help you decide. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.
Hi, Sebastian Caldwell. Hi, Penelope Quinn.
I just got notified that you filled your shopping cart but didn't proceed to
Now you can send these videos to your customers by attaching them or embedding the Vimeo link. You can also directly share them using MailChimp integration. Four, AI tools for advertising. To create high conversion rate ads, let's try Ad Creative AI. They provide 10 free credits for new accounts. To start using this AI tool, click Create Brand and enter your brand information.
Congratulations on creating your first brand with Ad Creative AI.
Now you can select your ad format from their ad templates and add a project description and your target audience. Click Save and Continue. While you can manually input your ad headline and description, we'll let the AI do it for us. Click Text AI and select the language to generate our ad details. Click Save and Continue. If needed, you can upload a background image or use their free stock images by clicking the Image Search Engine button. Select the desired image or explore multiple background image options. Input your project name and click Save and Generate. The AI tool will present you with several options along with a conversion score. Choose the best one and click Download to save the result.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video.
Bye.